In this short Word 2019 tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can have Word read part of your document back to you. All right, let's get started. First, with the left mouse button, click on View. Once in the View tab area, use the left mouse button to click on Immersive Reader. Once in the Immersive Reader area, with the left mouse button, click and drag and hold your left mouse button for the text that you want read. Once you have all the text highlighted that you want read, let go of the left mouse button. Now, with the left mouse button, click Read Aloud.
Fractional currency, also referred to as shinplasters, was introduced by the United States federal government following the outbreak of the Civil War.
Pretty cool, right? All right, let's close the Immersive Reader by clicking on this X. All right, now we're back to the regular area. Thanks for watching, and we hope you come back sometime soon to watch more iTutorial tutorials.